Hi, on this tutorial I am here to give you free template for travel and tour agency flyer. That's social media flyer. With this you get that. Yes, so I have designed this. I take my time to design all this just for you, and I also have two templates. I have this is okay with shapes and then some kind of creativity on that, and then the last one is this one. That's a straightforward design. You get that. Yes, so with this I will be giving you these two templates so that you can make your changes on that. And then however, anytime you need a design, just try and say hi on my WhatsApp or on the YouTube channel. You can also say hi to me through that so that I can help you with that. However, those people who don't want to watch the video to the end to get the password of any raw file that the person downloaded, I am not going to give anyone with that. You get that. Yes, so first of all, this is the first flyer I designed for this particular company, MB Travel and Tour Agency. Last time around the Hajj time, I was able to design some particular distance for this particular Hajj, and they like it. However, they contacted me today that I have to design another one, because that particular design I do help them a lot, because they were some kind of agencies. When you are in Mecca and you need you want to send your relatives any kind of money through, either you are sending it through CDs or through dollars, they will be able to exchange it to the currency of that particular country. This thing, you get that. Yes, so when I did that, it helped them a lot, and they said no, I have to give them two different designs so that they can choose from their services. So this is the services they do. You get that. Yes, they do flight booking, and then they do travel and tour packages. They have travel and tour packages, and they have Hajj and Umrah services, and then they have currency exchange. So with these particular people, is this particular company, MB Travel and Tour, they have those kind of tour. I'm not advertising them, but because they help and they know how best my design is, and then they contact me again, it tells you that I have to also say some kind of marketing in their listing. You get that. Yes, so first of all, this is what I do. However, I get an image of Arab man reading Al-Quran, and that's that. And then I also get a aeroplane that's flight, and then with this sky, this thing, and it looks so much beautiful. So I just put up a name of their this thing, that's MB Travel and Tour Agency, and then the tagline is your trusted partner in every journey. You can imagine, they just call me, they didn't give me anything, they only give me the name of the company, and they said I should use it and do something. And then but they said they have services like flight booking, traveling, Hajj and Umrah, and then exchange of currency. That's all what they said to me. So for as a graphic designer who always been on this, what I need to do is to tell ChatGPT that, oh, I have a company like this, they asked me to design a poster or a flyer for advert, and they have this and all that. So ChatGPT was able to create it or generated all this information for me. Then I use it and design. You get that. So it tells you that ChatGPT can never hold on our work or taking our work from us. They can only give us the information, but to make it so beautiful, they can't do that. Even though I asked ChatGPT to create what is the name, a flyer based on that for me, and you can't imagine what they do over here. That one was so cool, but I didn't like it at all, because I just want to have my everything original. So this was what they do, and it was lovely and so good. This is what ChatGPT do, and I say, okay, it's so cool, but I'll do it on my own. You get that. Yes, so over this, even though they added why choose us, those kind of things, I didn't want to put it on, because I just want the detailed information the person can only see, and then contact the person straight forward. You get that. Yes, so I have that. And so this is the services, and I put the flight booking, I put the image over there, you can change it over there, and the travel and tour, you have to get your visa, you have to get your right documents. So I have to put on this. And then Hajj and Umrah services, I just put the Mecca image there, that's the Kaaba, and that's so cool. So over here I was able to to put the 100 notes and then the what is the name, the dollar sign, so that they said they are based on exchanging dollar to Ghana cedis and they are good. But when they are in Medina or any Saudi Arabia, they can also exchange with their currency. That's what they do. You get that? Yes. So this is their contact, and this is that, and that I have the end of this. Traveling smart, travel safe with MB Travel and Tour Agency. So this was so cool. So you can make all changes to this, and then the next one was this, and it also takes the same thing, but over here I have to separate the services from the images. You get that? When you look at the first distance, I combine the services and then the images together in a shape like this, but over here I should give out an idea of separating the services from the from the services right up. You get that? Yes. So this was what I just do, and then I have to put on the icons, and then all looks so beautiful. So all this you can be able to get it to download from my YouTube channel. I will put the link in the description below so that you can also download it and then use it. However, it has a password, so all what you need to do is to watch the video to the end, and then you'll be able to do what you'll be able to get the password to download. And I have already said that those people who don't want to watch my video to the end and they always want to use the opportunity, contact me through WhatsApp. Oh, I have watched your video and I can't see the password, can you send it to me? With that, I'm not going to take it anymore. I don't do that again. If you cannot watch the video to get the password, then that is all. Keep it in yourself. You get that? Yes. So that is just that, and it looks so cool. And everything I have grouped it together so that you can also get it. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that's 10 grouped layers, so that you can just use and edit it with your colors. Anything you wish to use, you can do that. So it looks so much cool and it looks so much beautiful. And as you can see, I didn't use much colors on that. I just used only 3 colors. That is the green, yes, that is 50%, and then the yellow, that is let's say 30%, and yellow is the 30%, and then I just use blue, that is 20%. You get that? So this is the rule I use to blend with this particular flyer, and it looks so much beautiful, and they are happy of that. So I wish that if you also will be able to use this flyer, you can also get more customers and all that. Layout is intact, everything is intact, nothing has separated from this. You get that? Yes. So the next thing I'm going to show you is that, or maybe on next week tutorial, I'll be showing you some very important things. As if you get what is the name, if you get, let's say, 1 million plastic ID cards to design, edit their names, their pictures and all that, how can you just use 1 minute to do that? That's one. Or how can you just use a short time, a moment, to have all that done without hassling, without getting a whole lot of things on head? You get that? Yes. So I will show you that, and then I'll have everything intact for you. You get that? Yes. This is ABM Graphics, and this is ABM Graphics. You can get me on YouTube. You can get me on all the social media handles, Twitter, that's X, and then Instagram too, you can get me on, and then Facebook too, you can get me on, and then my WhatsApp too, you can get it on. You get that? So always check on my description. You can get so many things to download through that, and then always go to Facebook and like my my page, and then go to Twitter and follow me, and you can also go to Instagram to subscribe to my channel, and always subscribe to my channel, and then turn on the notification. Anytime I post a video, you get it right away. Thank you very much for watching. This is ABM Graphics, and have a nice day. Bye bye.